Hey friends, it's Diana, your Glenham Garden teacher. Welcome back to school. I'm so excited to show all of you the garden this fall. We're going to be exploring in the garden, and for those of you learning at home, I'll bring the garden to you. We're going to look at your favorite bugs and insects in the garden, talk about animal habitats, talk about all of our favorite fruits and vegetables, and I want to hear what you want to learn about too. First, I want to show you what I've been up to this summer. So when I'm not working in our garden and teaching all of you, I am actually a farmer. I grow flowers, and I just want to show you some of my dahlia flowers that I'm growing right now this fall. They're in full bloom and they're just so stunning. I really wanted to share it with you. Here's one. This is the flower field. Now let's go on a tour of our Glenham Garden. Check out everything that's growing. What do you see? That's all for now. I'll see you soon in the garden. Bye.